Running my D18 today. Well, actually, this is my son's D18 on gas. Cold and rainy outside. I got help. I got Brooklyn, my granddaughter, and she's taking care of the generator. Careful, Brooklyn. Turn it back. Turn it back, honey. Here. It's got to stay like that. And I have my grandson, Nicholas. We decided to run this D18. Turn your light back on, Brooklyn. There we go. Okay, we don't want to bore anybody, but just letting you know that's what we're doing today.
You talk to yourself.
No, I'm talking on the video. Say goodbye. Say goodbye, Brooklyn.
Goodbye.
Nicholas.
Bye.
Okay. Thanks for watching.